Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use iPhone as a scanner. If you want to use your iPhone as a scanner, follow these steps. Using the Notes app. Launch the Notes app on your iPhone. Create a new note. Tap the New Note button in the bottom right corner. Access the scanner feature. Tap the clip icon above the keyboard. Choose Scan Documents from the menu. Position your document. Hold your iPhone over the document so the camera can detect it. Capture the scan. The iPhone will automatically capture the document if in auto mode. If needed, tap the shutter button to manually take the scan. Adjust the scan if needed. Drag the corners to crop and adjust the scan. Tap Keep Scan to save it. Scan more pages. If you need to scan multiple pages, continue capturing scans. Tap Save when done. Save or share the scan. Tap the share icon to send the scan via email, airdrop, or messaging apps. Or tap the arrow next to the sub-profile. Then hit Save to Files to store it as a PDF. Using third-party scanner apps. If you want more features, install apps like Adobe Scan, Microsoft Lens, or Com Scanner from the App Store. So I choose Com Scanner. Tap Open to start it. Open the app and scan. Follow the app's on-screen instructions to scan documents. Save or convert to PDF. Most scanner apps allow you to save photos, email, edit PDF, or export to cloud storage like Google Drive or iCloud. Now, your iPhone is a portable scanner ready to digitize your documents. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.